Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to show as well as style the critical path within Office Timeline. So without further ado, let's climb straight in. The first thing we're going to go ahead and do is show our critical path. Now we are on the slide over here, and what you need to go ahead and do is you're going to go up to the top. You'll see the Office Timeline over here. So whether you're using the free or the premium, you can go ahead and open this up and you'll be able to access this. Now just over here under this tab, you'll see the Edit Timeline, and on the right hand side you'll see Dependencies. You're going to have to enable your dependencies, so that needs to be enabled, and then you'll see Critical Path. You're going to go and enable that too. On the bottom right you will see a Save button, and this is now going to show you your critical path. This is it just over here. Okay, so what we need to do now to style it. All right, we're going to go from this edit, we're going to go over to the style pane. It's this one right over here. And on the right hand side, just underneath style pane, you'll see a few options, but it's the second from last. It's the dependency options. You're going to open that one up over there. Okay, so just select it and you're going to go ahead and place it where you need to place it. Go ahead and select that dependencies options, and here you'll see dependency link and then critical path. Here you want to first of all toggle on or off the visibility, and then you're going to go down over here. You can see that there's a background color that you can change. You can also change the outline color as well as the size of the outline color. You can also change the title color. You can go ahead and change the dependency links color as well as the dash type, and you can also toggle them on and off, all of these options over here, and now you can style it to your liking. Now if you'd like to know where to get Office Timeline, you can go into a browser of choice and dial in officetimeline.com, and you will get to a page where you can download it for free, and you'll have the option to upgrade if you would like. Hope this was helpful.